First, you want to fold it in half horizontally. So it looks like this. Then you want to unfold it so it has this crease. Then you're going to make two triangles on one end that are identical, as so. Then you're going to fold the triangles in half, but not the other sides. So it looks something like this. Then you're going to fold it in half. So it's like a triangle. You're going to take the ends that you fell and fold it in half again. And you want to bend it so that the tip of the paper airplane is straight. And it works. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.